Number 11. Make an operation. It means to perform a surgical procedure. Usually, we say, perform an operation.
The doctors made an operation to remove the appendix. The doctors made an operation to remove the appendix. They will make an operation on his heart tomorrow. They will make an operation on his heart tomorrow. She made an operation and saved the patient's life. She made an operation and saved the patient's life.
Number 12. Make notes. It means to write down important information to help remember it.
During the lecture, I make notes on my laptop. During the lecture, I make notes on my laptop. She made notes in her book while reading. She made notes in her book while reading. It's helpful to make notes while studying. It's helpful to make notes while studying.
Number 13. Make a loss. It means to lose money in a business or activity.
The business made a loss this year. The business made a loss this year. He made a loss on his investment. He made a loss on his investment. Selling at such low prices caused them to make a loss. Selling at such low prices caused them to make a loss.
Number 14. Make someone laugh. It means to cause someone to laugh.
He always knows how to make me laugh. He always knows how to make me laugh. The clown made all the children laugh. The clown made all the children laugh. Her jokes can make anyone laugh. Her jokes can make anyone laugh.
Number 15. Make an investment. It means to invest money in something to earn a profit.
I want to make an investment in the stock market. I want to make an investment in the stock market. They made an investment in a new business venture. They made an investment in a new business venture. Making an investment can be risky, but profitable. Making an investment can be risky, but profitable.